Most people believe that falling is a strength problem. But Japanese researchers discovered something that changes everything. A fall doesn't start in the legs. It starts in the brain. At the moment, the recovery reflex takes 0.3 seconds longer than it should. That fraction of a second is what separates those who stumble and recover from those who stumble and fall. In Japanese Judo, this reflex has a name. It has a training system, and it can be reactivated at any age. In this video, you'll learn 3 Judo movements that retrain exactly this system. You will feel the difference in the steadiness of your step right after your very first workout today, no equipment and without leaving home. Movement 1, the recovery step. Sugiyashi, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, near a wall or chair for support if needed. Slide your right foot forward along the floor, keeping contact with the ground throughout the entire movement. Then bring the left foot in to restore the base. Without pausing, slide the right foot forward again. Repeat this same foot 4 times in the same direction. Then reverse, sliding the left foot backward, bringing the right foot in to close the base, and repeating 4 times back to the starting position. And the constant maintenance of the base width between both feet. Do 2 sets in each direction, rest 20 seconds, and repeat 2 more times. Here is why this movement matters more than most people realize. 1 in 3 adults over 65 falls at least once a year. And most of those falls have something in common that is rarely discussed. The body felt the imbalance. The feet sensed the uneven ground. The ankles registered the instability. But the signal arrived too late to the brain, and the muscle response wasn't fast enough to recover balance before the impact. In Judo, Sugiyashi is the controlled displacement step, the movement a judoka uses to reposition quickly without ever crossing the feet or losing the base. It's exactly this ability that the nervous system loses silently with age, not from lack of strength, but from lack of practice. Studies show that Judo training improves gait and balance in elderly adults in ways that few other exercises can, because Judo is an open skill exercise that requires constant adaptation to unpredictable situations, unlike walking or swimming, which are performed in stable and predictable environments. Over time, add a step forward and a step backward as well, retraining the nervous system to recover in all directions, not just laterally. Are you enjoying this so far? Before we move to the next movement, which trains something most exercise programs completely ignore, tell us your name and where you're watching from. We read and reply to every comment. Movement 2, the Heron transfer. Suru no ashi. Stand with your feet together near a wall. Slowly transfer all your weight to your left foot, feeling every muscle in the left ankle and hip activating to compensate. When you feel the balance is stable, lift your right heel slightly off the ground, just a few millimeters. Hold for 5 seconds. Lower slowly. Switch sides. Do 5 repetitions on each side. Rest 15 seconds and repeat 2 more times. The transfer should be slow. The slower it is, the harder the nervous system works. Here is what is happening inside your body during this movement. The gray Heron, Suru in Japanese, is a symbol of longevity in Japanese arts because of something very specific. Its balance is not passive. It is the result of constant and precise muscle activation in the ankles, knees, and hip, exactly the muscles that determine whether the body will recover or fall when balance is threatened. These are the deep stabilizers, the muscles that rarely appear in conventional exercises, but are the first to respond when balance fails. Researchers who tested Judo-based exercise programs in elderly adults over 65 found significant improvements in balance and mobility, and concluded that these programs have real potential to prevent falls and reduce the risk of frailty in older adults. In Japanese Judo, the slow and controlled transfer of weight from one leg to the other is precisely how these stabilizers are trained. Over time, Lift the entire foot a few centimeters and feel the difference between passive and active balance. 2 movements done. 1 left, and this last one targets something that no exercise in this video has touched yet: the connection between your eyes and your balance system. Researchers found that this is one of the most overlooked causes of falls in adults over 65, and it takes less than 90 seconds to retrain. Movement 3. The samurai gaze. Metsuk, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, gaze fixed on a point directly in front of you at eye level. Keep the body completely still. Turn your head slowly to the right. 5 seconds to complete the movement without moving your feet or shoulders. Pause 2 seconds. Return to center. Turn to the left the same way. That is 1 repetition. Do 5 repetitions. Rest 15 seconds. Repeat 1 more time. As a progression, perform the same movement while in Suru no Ashi, transferring your weight to 1 leg while turning your head. Here's why this movement is more powerful than it looks. In Judo and Japanese martial arts, Metsu means the point of gaze, the technique of fixing the eyes so the visual field remains stable while the body moves. Most people do the opposite naturally, looking down at the ground, at their feet, at where they're going to place the next step. When the eyes look downward, the vestibular system, the internal balance organ in the ear, receives conflicting information about the position of the body in space. The result is a small but constant instability with every step. And there is a second problem even more relevant for elderly adults: dizziness when turning the head quickly. This happens because the vestibular system has lost the ability to integrate rapid changes in visual direction with body movement. Researchers who studied judo training in elderly adults found that it significantly increased BDNF concentration, the brain-derived neurotrophic factor, directly associated with neural plasticity and the speed at which the nervous system processes information. In practical terms, retraining the vestibular system reconnects the brain to the body in a way that most conventional exercises never reach. 3 movements, 5 minutes. A system that Japanese judo masters have practiced for over 140 years, and that science is only now beginning to understand. Sugiashi retrains the recovery step that the nervous system has been forgetting. Suru no Ashi reactivates the deep stabilizers that determine whether the body will recover or fall. And Metsuk reconnects the gaze to balance, eliminating the silent instability that most people never realize they have. The Yawara-chan Teiso method, developed in Japan and taught at the Kadokan, the founding institute of judo, showed evidence of being effective in improving the quality of life of elderly adults and reducing the fear of falling. And the fear of falling on its own is one of the factors that most increases the actual risk of falls, because it changes the way a person walks, reduces step length, and creates exactly the muscle rigidity that prevents rapid recovery. Write in the comments, do you feel your balance has become slower in recent years? Or do you feel dizzy when you stand up quickly? That is exactly the system these 3 movements retrain. Start with Suru no Ashi today, just 5 repetitions on each side, and come back in 2 weeks to share what changed. If this video was helpful, leave a like and share it with someone close to you who also deserves to know this. See you in the next video.